a snowman, so I will use some old buttons, cotton ribbons, and two googly eyes. And if you have some origami sheets, so you can use. And if you have some newspaper, so you can use, and tissue.
Fevicol.
Let's make. First, I will use this. Now, I will take the thread and wrap it over on the newspaper ball. Now I have made two balls. One is big and one is small. Now you can take this a ball of cotton, and now we will paste this cotton on the newspaper ball by using Fevicol. So now friends, I have made it. Okay, and you can also use any tissue paper to wrap it. Now I will put some Fevicol on the big ball, and now I will paste it like this. So now I will cut a piece of ribbon to make thread. Muffler. Now I'll paste here and here to make the muffler. Now you can paste any old button or any one or two. So I'll paste. Thanks. Pasting a button here. Okay. Okay, Nia. Can you hold it? Now I will paste two googly eyes. See, this is the googly eyes. Okay. Now we want origami sheets. If you have origami sheets, so you can use. For nose, we have to use orange origami paper. So let's cut it. Now make this cone for making carrot nose. Now paste it over here. नहीं, हाँ, अपना खुद से बनाई हो. Now, see, the snowman is ready. And okay, Nia, हम एक काम करते हैं. मम्मा का बर्थडे भी आ रहा है 25 दिसंबर को, तो हम मम्मा को ही गिफ्ट करेंगे. बाय बाय.